I've been videoing for the past 2 weeks now, due to waiting for this parcel. Primer, ordered it off Amazon, and it's arrived today. Today's Friday, the 17th or something. Who knows these days, who cares, eh? Rock and roll. I'm gonna be tackling the rust underneath there, so tomorrow I can get the petrol tank on for you guys. I'm not too well at the moment. It's nothing to do with the virus, but anyway, I'm going to be using these brushes to tackle it. These two have decided. I've just bought some glasses from the pound shop because I can't find my others, and I'm quite amazed to have even got a pair due to the climate and all the fake news. I'm surprised they had any in stock because of everyone buying everything. So I'm going to whip the wire wheels onto the drill and crack on. I'm going to try and just film it for you guys, just leave it on film with what I do without speeding it up or anything like that, because I'm not going to be doing a lot today. I don't feel so great, so let me crack on. The 3 products that I'm going to use to tackle the rust, guys. I'm going to start with some of that Alright Cure Rust. Then I'm going to put on this, what I've been waiting for 2 weeks for. What's arrived with a nice big dent in it. And it looks a bit of a mess. Needs a bit of its own body repair, so it'll shut again probably. I'm going to put this on. And then I'm probably going to give it some stone chip on top. And then when the car's done, I'll get it up on a ramp in the garage. And I'll give it a nice blast of more professional looking stone chip with a gun on the airline. So anyway, let's get going. Some there, where it bolts to. A little bit there. That's the main issue. Is here. I'll show you that in a minute when I've done this. This is definitely something that needs issue with. Tell you what, you get what you pay for. These glasses are shit. Oi, not the best. part of it there that didn't need doing, but it looks quite nice. But anyway, I'll just go over that with a bit of primer. I've got some up here I've just spotted as well, guys. Probably hear this drill is dying, and I've just took the battery off charge. This drill is not the best. It's not even old. It burnt out one day just using it on a simple hole I was drilling on my van, putting some windows in it. It's not the best, but it's all I've got really. It's gonna have to... I've got the other battery on charge. We'll see. Try the other drill, the other brush. This one's a bit too much. Spotted some more up there. Don't know how I'll get to that with this thing, but I'm gonna have to try. Probably know, guys, these are not the most rust-free cars. This car did look like the cleanest of its kind on the road, but obviously not. Nobody gets underneath inspecting them like this, do they? Petrol tank off and whatnot. But yeah, let's just crack on. I'm going to say this end, guys, much better than this. Got a bit of crap in my eyes. Oh, these glasses. Woo! I dread to think what they'd be like if I didn't have them on though. bastard. Sometimes, guys, what I find, if you turn the drill the wrong way, the direction, it works a bit better. Do you want to give that a try? Arms. Phew! Alright, I'll show you what I've done, guys, so far. This. Spotted some behind there. I ain't going to get behind there, but I will primer it and paint coverage. I'll give that a little blast. This is my final concern, which was the main concern that made me look underneath the car in the first place, was this. So I'll address this. Oh, and this here. We all know that we rot there, so I'll address that for real. That's definitely getting addressed. This side isn't bad at all. I'll address it anyway. Yeah, I can see it about to go. Needs addressing. Once the car is built, I will get this car up in the air and I'll do anything else that needs doing. So I've just gone inside and got one of these smaller wheels. I want to see how that goes for these smaller trickier bits. I've nearly got as much off what I'm happy with. Just change that. A bit windy under here. Crap blowing. Don't want to stay under here much longer. It's getting a bit cold now. See how this goes. Put my pound shop gigs on. Rid of that. So let's just see. Alright, off here. just have a look what we've got going on here, apart from all this crap in my eyes. These amazing glasses, but you get what you pay for. You can see that little wheel, it got right in there. Edges here. Did a really nice job of this. I have got, there's a little bit there I couldn't get to, but I've got some, I forget the make of it. I'm going to go and get it and get you the products, what I'm going to be using, and I'll take it from there. I'm just applying this, guys, with a brush out of a children's paint set kit from my favourite shop, the Pound Shop. It starts going purple. Purple. See? It says on the instructions to, if it doesn't change colour after 1 hour, give it another coat. It's clearly changing colour. But it also says after 3 hours, give it another coat. So in 3 hours, it's probably going to be dark, but knowing me, I'll be under here with a torch. I'll come and give it another coat. I've done the majority of it now. Done that. It's got these bits here to do. I'm getting it over any rust. It's all been cleaned. As you can see, it's very clean. That, the rust that I've tackled. And when I put the next coat of primer on, well, after this has all gone on and cured, I do believe you have to sand this stuff down. Don't know why, I'm going to read the instructions, but I've had people comment to me in the past who I know, oh, did you sand it after you finished it when I did a repair on a vehicle because it didn't quite turn out right? The paint started bubbling and they reckon that I should have flatted this stuff down. Don't know if that's true. Do any of you guys out there know? But let me know. This will probably be done before then, but it's nice to have another bit of input from someone else. Fellow rust enthusiast. But yeah, I'm just getting this stuff absolutely everywhere. I hate rust. Rust hates me. That's how it's gonna be. But just get these last bits. I know some of you don't want to be watching this, but at least I've not got you watching it dry. You'd have probably turned off by now. But you know, some people like to see the step-by-step progress. So for those who do, this is for you. Final bits. It says avoid painted areas because this stuff does not come off paint. I've had it on I had it on my other Uno white one, on the doors actually, and I had to paint the door because there's not a chance was it coming off. Get that in there. That's rotten. That actually needs welding, to be honest. I know it's solid, but it's gone. Needs welding, definitely. But we'll just get some of this in there. Don't know how this camera's looking. I can't even see what I'm filming, guys. So if you can see this, it's a miracle. Right, I reckon that'll do it. That's your lot. I'm off to buy some lottery. Back in 3 hours. Afternoon, guys. As you can see, I've put some of that primer on. Got a full refund, by the way, off Amazon. Big shout to Amazon. Gutted for you that sent it me thinking you were smart. Sent in a damaged tin in a perfectly good box, but all cuts down the cost. I've primered straight over the cure rust. Whoa, it's an LSD there, the phone. And just gone straight over it. Some people said you have to sand down the cure rust. I looked online, I couldn't see anything about sanding it down. I wasn't too sure, so I just left it. The more the merrier. I'm going to paint it now with the... Alright. So I'll put this down and get some paint on, or I might do a little speeded up Benny Hill style for you. Yeah, I'll do that. Well guys, there's the oh, I've missed a bit. Yeah, I'll have to do that, but this is the first coat anyway. Good job of just seeing that. I'll crack on and do that bit. Evening I'd say it is, guys. Quite bored sat in the house doing nothing, debating whether to go shopping or not. So I thought, whilst I'm thinking about it, I'm going to remove this hub off the Mk1. You like the grinder marks. Somebody out there probably recognises this car as their old car, and it had the worst piece of shit body kit on it you've ever seen. And I actually had to cut it off with a grinder. It was held on with expanding foam, but someone out there wanted it and they gave me £40 for it, and that went towards money back for the build. So anyway, I'm going to crack on with this, and I'm going to put it on a speeded up video for you whilst I do it. Well, it's off, and it's not in too much of a bad condition, if you do say so myself. Considering, I don't know if are these originally this kind of metallic blue or what, guys. I'm not too sure. I've never been up this close to one before. Let me know. I'm going to paint these red. What do you think? The brakes. I've bought some red paint from Aldi that was on offer the other week. I'll take the drive shafts off tomorrow. I can't really be bothered getting full of oil and dirt at this time of day. And it's just a few Allen keys in there. They look like Allen keys. Are they Allen keys? Yeah, they're Allen keys. I'd say there's whatever, 8 of them or something. But we'll crack on with that tomorrow. They can stay on the car, they're getting scrapped. Can't be arsed with them. Anyway, we'll pick this back up tomorrow.